this video, we are going to describe the interface card that's used with the Impulse Series 5 G Plus or VG Plus drives. All drives, all of the Impulse Series 5 drives will have an interface card on them that optically isolates the control voltage, that's these red wires here, from the control board, which starts from this terminal strip and back. So this is the control board here. This is the interface card. The interface card on a Series 5 drive looks like this, and it has tabs that come out that will be connected up to S1 through S8, and then the SN or neutral for the particular control voltage you're using. These correspond to S1 through S8 on the interface card, which is where the control voltage digital inputs will be connected, and then the X2 are common for your control voltage that you're using. It is important to note that all control voltage signals, your digital signals, multifunction digital inputs, also known as MFDIs, go and are connected to the interface card. They are not connected to these terminals here. Damage will result to your interface card if you directly connect your digital control signals to the control board inputs. These are connected and fastened down by tightening these screws here. In previous versions of the Impulse G Plus or VG Plus drives, the interface cards are constructed differently. I have a Series 4 interface card, and if you'll notice, the X2 or the common are on the left side of the interface card, and then it goes S1 through S8. Left side for the common or X2 on the previous versions of the Impulse G VG Plus drives. That is different in the Series 5 drives. Those common X2s are on the right-hand side. It is important to note that you're going to have to be sure and match the X2s from the older drives on the left side and place them on the right side.